Hi everyone, Mallory Cameron here. I'm going to quickly show you how to cross-list your classes in Canvas. So cross-listing is just merging classes into one course. The reason for doing this is if you teach 6 of the same prep, like I teach 6 class periods of tech support, and you don't want to have to upload the content into every single one of these course cards, I can merge all of these into one. So the first thing you want to do is decide what class period or what course card you want to merge them into. I'm going to use period 1. Then I'm going to go over to my next class. I'm going to scroll down on the left-hand side to settings. At the top, it'll auto go to course details, but you'll click on sections. And then you will notice it has a link for that period 2 course. Once you click on that, on the far right hand side, you will notice this button that says CrossList this section. And then I'm going to type in the name of my course that I want to merge it into, which was period 1 of tech support. And then I'm going to CrossList. So now if I look at my dashboard, that period 2 is now gone. And when I go into my period 1 settings, I will see that I have my period 1 class and my period 2 class now listed there. So if I wanted the rest of these, I would continue those same steps to merge them into that card number 1. Again, you just click on the next course, go down to settings, sections, click on the section that you want to merge, so this is period 3, and cross-list it into that course. Easy as that. If you get stumped or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I would be happy to assist you. Have a great one.